everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree, and I thought we'd look at the makeup area. Let's see what they have. Okay, so we have here, the Sassy and Chic nail grooming kit. That's what that looks like. Then we have this under eye massager, and then this is a manicure set. This is the eyelash curler. I think they only have it in the, oh no, they have the purple. Then over here, this is called a lip paint by Maybelline Color Gel. And it looks like the colors are all the same. I never seen this here though before. Then they have this, the lash comb and brush. I like that. That's the only one left. And here is the paint in this color. Okay, all the way to the top. And here you have the Art Deco nail art. So you have that green and this color here. And this is the Trendsetter lip color. And this is the silicone applicator. I haven't tried that yet. Oh, I like these files. I think I'm gonna get one of these. And then they have the Sassy and Chic, and this is a double pack of the Beauty Treasures nail polish. Then here they have the Makeup Vanishing Towel. So I'm not sure if I've seen this before. And those are the disposable applicators, eyeshadow applicators. You get 20 in the pack. There's the nail art pen. So you have that kind right there. And then you have this one right here. Okay, so the gems in the tube on the bottom are different. And you also have this kind here. Let me place this down and then come back. So then you see, so you have the gems are different in each tube. This one is more like rose gold. And then these gems look a little bit bigger. Okay, then you have this. This is the lip gloss, Intense Color Lip Gloss by LA Colors. And here's the compact mirror. Here's the Wet n Wild nail polish with the lipstick. And this is a 16 of the emery boards. This right here is the makeup brush cleaning mitt. And they come in colors. Now Sassy and Chic moisturizing foundation, and these are also files. So this is lip gloss, Sassy and Chic, and this is the pod foot file. And there's LA Colors eyeshadow. There's the nail brush, and look, they have the eyelashes. So here's some more emery boards. Let's see, I don't want to miss anything. This is the lip liner pencil, and this is the eyeliner pencil. Then you have the big lash. Okay, and that's the first time I'm seeing that one in that packaging. So here you have the e.l.f. That's lipstick. And here's the Wet n Wild Coverall foundation. And here are the nail tips in multicolor by Sassy and Chic.
And that's the next customer in line on one.
And also these are the stiletto shapes. Then you have the Wet n Wild nail polish, and here you have the lip pencil with the lipstick. That's Color Mates. What is this? And here you have the lipsticks. This one here has the lip liner with it. And there is your Wet n Wild nail polish. Down here you have the brush. This one's charcoal infused. I've never seen that before. And this is the LA Color Hydrating Face Mist. Okay, then we get into the contour. LA Colors. Eyeshadows. This is pretty right here. And I like these. Here's the eyebrow pencil. And here is the lip gloss lipstick duo. This is the lip gloss moisturizing. Those are nice colors. Okay. And here's the stick. So this is 3-in-1 makeup stick. The plump lip gloss, and here is your pressed powder. Compact makeup. That's liquid eyeliner by LA Colors. And this is macaroon. That must be like a lip gloss. There's your mascara and your eyeliner, your auto eyeliner. And this is Sassy and Chic moisturizing foundation. And then you have your liquid makeup by LA Colors. Then along this wall here is the super dry top coat, the Miracle Nail, the nail clippers, and then this whole section right here is all the nail polish. Along the bottom you have the acetone, and I do believe now they're carrying the 100% acetone here at the Dollar Tree. That is a good buy. On the bottom here you have the cotton balls, and then you have the cotton pads, you have the facial makeup wipes, the cotton, the Q-tips and the cotton balls and the makeup wedges. Then here we have a whole bunch of these disposable masks, and that's what they have here on this side. So if we come on this side over here, we're gonna run into all of the dental stuff. So here's the dental floss, and these are the ones infused with charcoal. These are the close-up ones. These are name brand right here, just so I can back up and show you. Then we have the mouthwash. Then we have the Reach, that's name brand. And we have the Assured brand for the kids. And they also have the dental floss infused with charcoal, so I think I'm gonna get one of those. Okay, then we have your denture cleansing tablets, and these are the overnight ones. Then we get into the oral gel, and these are like the whitening, 5-minute whitening. And then here are all the toothbrushes. Now they do have the Effident, the tablets for cleaning, the Fixident, the Poly Grip. Even though they're smaller, they look travel size, but they're still name brand. Along with all of the toothpaste, you got Colgate, Crest, Aquafresh, Close Up, Aim, Pepsodent, Sensitive Extreme, that must be their brand, Colgate. And they even have the charcoal infused toothbrushes. I like them. I like it when they carry the powder. Oh look, they have 2 left. So this is what the powder looks like, and I think it works very well. I use it myself and I'm loving that. I have plenty of those. So some of them are double packed, the Close Up, and here's the Reach with the case. Comes with the case. The kids' toothbrushes and the adult toothbrushes. Definitely a good buy here at the Dollar Tree. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look at their cosmetics and more. And I'll see you in the next video.